is an icon of Pinoy rock that was formed in the year 1968. Maalala nyo, yung pinakapopular nilang kanta, Himig Natin is considered the anthem of the Pinoy rock movement. And they are here in the United States for a reunion with friends. At narito na po sila, the Juan de la Cruz Band. Welcome to Balitang Amerika. Siyempre pa, ang kanilang original member, Wally Gonzalez, with Mike Hanopol, Joey Pepe Smith, and with them also is Lolita Carbon of Asin. Welcome po sa Balitang Amerika sa inyong lahat.
Thank you.
Ma'am Wally, 41 years na pala itong inyong grupo, Juan de la Cruz Band. Meron bang pagkakaiba dun sa grupo nyo before, in 1968, saka ngayon 2009?
Noong 1968, medyo bata pa kami nun eh. So,
Okay, that's stating the obvious.
So,
But in terms of attitude, in terms of spirit and mission, perhaps?
of course, medyo nag-mature na rin.
Okay.
Everything and human perfection sa tugtugan, and sa samahan. So, mas lalong nagiging okay yung banding eh, hanggang tumatagal.
Pero kayo, siguro in the span of that 40 years na nasa industry kayo ng musika, hindi ba, nakilala din ang Pinoy rock dahil meron kayong mensahe, meron kayong signature na ipinaglalaban. If I may ask you individually, ano sa palagay mo yung signature music mo na nakilala ka at paborito mo rin? Let's start with you, Lolita.
Siyempre, nung nag-start kami, ang pinakasikat na talaga until now, yun pa rin ang panggising ng mga awareness ng tao, yung masdan mo ang kapaligiran, which I wrote with the late Saro Banyares Jr. That was released 1978.
How about
Thank
you, Wally?
Well, of course, yung Himig Natin is
Very nice song.
Yeah, plus all the rock and roll sa ulan, and namasyal sa Pilipinas. So, may pagka-nationalistic ng konti at that time.
Napakagandang
Yung mga
mensahe
songs,
niya.
yes.
Ako, nung high school ako, naalala ko kay Mike Hanopol, Lucky Salayaw, Jeff Ross. Is that your signature song or do you have another favorite?
Well, actually it was the most popular song, that's why it came up. But actually I have so many favorites,
Okay.
most of my songs.
But that really concretized the rebelliousness of the youth during the 70s, hindi ba?
Yeah, they call that counterculture or against the flow.
Okay. Si Mang Pepe Smith naman dito, mukhang kanong-kano ang dating nyo ngayon, di ba?
Kunyari lang po.
Kunyari lang yun. Ano naman yung paborito nyo sa inyo noon?
Lahat.
Lahat.
Lahat po. Dahil, siyempre, hindi ko gagawin niyo kung hindi ko nagustuhan eh.
Pero ano yung mensaheng sinasabi mo palagi sa mga kanta mo noon?
Ano, yung magmahalan, mag-sama-sama, mag-rock and roll,
Yes.
masaya, at
What is your opinion about Philippine music now? Meron ba kayo mga paborito sa mga kumakanta ngayon sa Pilipinas? Sino sa inyo?
ano mo, hindi namin pwedeng sabihin na wala o meron. Pero natutuwa kami, sumunod sila dun sa mga, hindi naman yapak, ano, sa mga,
Sa simulain natin.
mensahe,
Sa sinimulan
simulain.
Dahil we see a lot of relevant songs. So,
Yes.
Right,
well,
right.
you've been in the industry for 40 years. Pero
Yeah.
ba kayong vision na gusto mo accomplish in the next years to come?
Yeah, to live peacefully and enjoy this life. Kumbaga, no, well, as we go along, we gather up things that, you know, like, if it was possible to do, maybe it's about time to do it now, something like that.
Correct. And ang kagandahan po yan, mga kapamilya, bahagi ng kanila pong vision sa buhay, aside from really spreading the beautiful music of the Philippines all over the world, sila po ay nakipag-tie up na sa ABS-CBN Foundation, Bantay Bata. And so, yan ang kanilang misyon at pinapahalagahan po natin ito. And of course, yung mga kapamilya natin, ang yung mga tagahanga, they're really hoping that someday you will have another concert, another reunion in the future, hindi ba? Can we expect that in the years to come?
Yes, please,
Oh,
yes.
yes.
Let us know if we got the right papers and all that to fly
Wonderful.
in.
Maraming salamat. Pepe Smith is looking for his sister, Elizabeth Smith.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.
Mabuhay din ang
Mga
Balitang
pamilya,
Amerika.
yan po ang Balitang Amerika ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Ako po si Jel Santos Relos. Hanggang bukas.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
O, kung na kayong alis.
Thanks.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay.
Yun, pwede na.
Ano ba yun? Oh, thank you.
pictures again.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Yeah, some good
Mga
shot.
Bebe Smith talaga sila mo. Ay,
Okay.
For art. And, kinuha lang ayun. May isang mic. May hawak pa ng mic.
Binigay ko na.
Binigay na.